After the cube is built, one of our tasks is to go through the properties for each measure and make sure the properties are set properly. The first thing we should do is to make sure the name appears as we want it to, if we didn't already rename the measure while working with the Cube Wizard. Then we should set the format string to make it easier to read the numbers when we're testing the cube, and of course when the users are browsing the cube once we make it available to them. There are some built-in format strings like currency and %, but we can also use custom formatting strings like we can in Excel. We can also choose to hide the measure. When we hide a measure, it will still be available for use in calculations, but when we change the visible property to false here, users of the cube will not be able to view this measure independently. If we have a lot of measures in a measure group, we can organize those measures into groups by specifying a display folder. The first time we reference a folder, we type in the name here, but afterwards, the folder will be available in a drop-down list so that we can assign it to other measures. And perhaps the most important property of all, we have the aggregate function. The default is sum, which adds up each record in the fact table by dimension.